Percy and Gordon were not so sure.
The end. There to or 6 something thousand. Always different while we play. Them shed so far away. Down the hills and round the bend. Thomas and his friends. They're useful group. Thomas and his friends.
I absolutely love to dance. There's something magical about getting ready for a big performance. The stage is set for dancing and excitement in the Magic of Dance video. You won't believe what happens when Miss Lily comes to dinner. And it's even more fun when William practices his new magic trick on me.
Tails and whiskers.
Gosh, she's really disappeared.
The silver locket.
And you'll see the time I borrowed my mother's necklace and lost it.
Angelina, your mum did say you could borrow her locket, didn't she?
Well, not exactly. Be sure to watch the Silver Locket video to find out what happened.
And
In the big performance video, you won't believe who I danced for. Queen Seraphina of Mouseland.
Angelina is a real star.
So don't miss my big performances on video. And remember, if you follow your dreams, you could be a star too.
Only from entertainment.
We're live from the Bobblesburg Winter Games.
As television stations prepare to broadcast to the world, join Bob and the Machines in an exciting snowy adventure. Meet Benny, new to the team.
Unreal banana peel.
When the mountain pass gets snowed under, will Bob get the courses built in time for the opening ceremony? Oh no! Help! It's their biggest challenge ever. Can they build it? Coming to DVD and VHS, fall 2004.
Only from here
The
entertainment.
mighty shark wants to start his own movie. Arr, arr, arr.
The mighty movie star,
That's me.
the hero of the movie,
That's me.
goes flying through the air to rescue Miss Winona like this.
That's me.
Don't miss the Rubba-Dubbers
Uh-oh.
in Finbar, the mighty movie star. Plus, 4 more fantastic stories, now available from Hit Entertainment.
And the cowboy.
Yippee-ki-yi-yi-oh! Get ready to boot-scoot down the Wiggly Trail.
Wet cowboy hats.
We like to boot scoot all day.
Hi, everyone. We're the Wiggles. Why don't you saddle up and come along with us?
There's a heap of Western adventure and musical fun.
All the sights and sounds.
Of the Wiggly Trail.
This is going to be great fun, guys. First things first, whatever you do, don't get distracted by the fun and games.
The mechanical ball.
Fastest banana in the West competition.
I love bananas.
Oh, there's only room in this town for one big banana.
Get along now, partner, and round up some Wild West fun with the Wiggles. The Wiggles, cold spaghetti western. Now available on video and DVD from Hit Entertainment.
Hit Entertainment. Come on, got it.